Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions and welcome to the video tutorial for the LSP Cake Smash Cutie Photoshop Action Set. This is video part 2, editing video 7. You can watch video 1 for installation guides, you can watch video part 2, video 1 to learn exactly how to use this set. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of using the set, demonstrating with this beautiful image by Amy Bray Photography. I love the colours in this one. So I'm going to use the Fix Underexposed Dark Images option quickly to just give this a boost. If it's a little bit much, you can turn this down. So slide the opacity, nothing affects your background layer, so you can edit these further if you wanted to. And now we can use a Contrast Savvy Booster here. And again, turn that down. I hear my own little toddler screaming in the background there. I do apologise. Now we're going to use the Skin Retouch section. Let's use the Light Instant Skin Retouch, extra bright brush and contrast face paint. So let's just zoom in and use these. So make sure your brush is set to 100% opacity, 25% flow. The light retouch is really good for taking any little rashes away on the skin, any grazes, spots, extra cake crumbs that you don't particularly want to show in certain areas. You can always switch over to black to hide this as well, so I'm just going to get some of these little bits out the corner of the eyes there. The Strong Skin Retouch is great for this modelly, blotchy patchiness that you often get on toddler skin, especially during a photo shoot. When babies are a little bit excited, you find their arms and legs tend to go modelly, and this is kind of a toddler phenomenon. So this action really helps smooth any of those mottles away. Just paint that down on here, and the legs. Again, I'm moving rather fast on this one, but to watch the slower, more beginner-friendly video tutorial, you can watch video 2, section 2, part 1, should I say, and you can find these videos over on the LSP website. Just place stubborn red speak on there, just to take away some of these stubborn red colours. And next up, we want to kind of fix this area here. You've got the balloon shadows here with the background, and a little hack for that one is to play the seamless background crease fix. This also works for shadows. It sets up a frequency separation for you, but you don't need to worry about that. All you need to do is hold down Alt on your keyboard, sample an area of the background by clicking, make the brush nice and big, and just paint over this. It will keep the original texture of your background, but it will help even those tones out. And you can go on the layer mask and use a black brush to hide this if you wanted to. So let's see where we are so far, before and after. Just work on the skin a little bit more. I'm going to use Bright Baby Iris to brighten up the eyes here. Of course, the actions you use, it really depends on your shooting style. There is literally an action for everything in this set. Define lashes in Cupid's bow. This is literally for the eyelashes, and when you can see the mouth, when little one is not going, uh-oh, is for also defining the top of the mouth there. So let's go hide these before and after. Let's use the Vibrant Colour Painter here in the Colour Change section. You can find more about how to use the colour changes in Video Tutorials Part 3 on the LSP Actions website, just to really boost the tone of that cake up a little. And then for the finishing overlays, let's use Party Time, which adds a purple depth into the image. It doesn't change your image to purple, it just adds that tone in there. So let's really boost that up a little. And how about we finish off with a contrast injection and a mini vignette. You can change the opacity of these. Nothing affects your original background layer. So let's have before and after. There is before and there is after. A quick edit using this beautiful image by Amy Bray Photography. The Cake Smash Cutie Photoshop Action Suite is available at www.lsp-actions.com, and you can also catch the full video tutorials over on the website. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.